everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful Wednesday so far. Today we're going to look at a 2019 Chevy Equinox LT in a white metallic exterior. I would also like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with 3 previous owners. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits in this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of are these gorgeous LED headlights. As we move down along the bottom, you'll also see that it comes with running LED fog lights. Then as we make our way in here to the middle, you'll see that beautiful black grow insert along with the chrome trim and then patented bow tie Chevy logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now, a couple of things to point out here on the exterior before we show you this interior. Here on the back side of your rear view mirrors, you will have turn signal indicators. And then here on the front, you will have blind spot monitoring there as well. On your door handles, as long as that key's in your pocket and you press that little button, it'll lock and unlock. But let's go ahead and show you guys this interior. This is going to come with a beautiful black on darker gray two-tone cloth interior with some of this light tan stitching here. Then as we turn around to the dash, you will have a beautiful matte black dash finish with some of this chrome trim here along your air vents. But while we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific Chevy Equinox, your tire depths will be 10 and 32 seconds all the way around. Brakes in the front will be 15 and 32 seconds, with the rear brakes being 12 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat now, that beautiful two-tone darker gray on black premium cloth interior will stay the same. Now, a couple of things to point out back here as well. Behind your driver and passenger seat, next to your air vents, you will have 2 USB ports back here. And then here between the seats, you will have a pull-down center console equipped with 2 cup holders. Here at the rear now, a couple of things to point out back here as well. There is a hitch for some of your towing needs. And then you will also have a backup camera, so don't ever worry about backing up into anything. Now there is an automatic trunk lift in this vehicle. So we'll go ahead and press that button, open up the trunk for you guys, show you guys how much space there actually is. There is plenty of room back here to haul groceries or anything that you could possibly think of. Not to mention some of your typical hooks back here to strap anything down that you might need. And then not included in this is the privacy shader. However, you are able to purchase that afterwards. Moving now to some of the interior features of the vehicle, it will come equipped with power locks, power mirrors, power windows, power seat adjustments, and not to mention here on your door panel, you will have the option to change the height of your trunk lift as well. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. So you'll get a nice little start up here on your driver display and your middle display from Chevy. You also notice that this vehicle is going to come with just under 85,000 miles on it. To the left side behind your steering wheel, you'll have the option to change the brightness to your driver display as well as all your headlight options down there as well. The left knob behind your steering wheel will be your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. And the right side will be your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. The left side of your steering wheel will be all your cruise control options. And on the right side, you'll have your middle display as well as your touch-to-talk options. Coming here over into the middle, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned before, a backup camera. Now, right below that, you will have the climate control at the touch of your fingertips. Not to mention, these front seats are heated as well. Then down below, you will also have some other options, plug-in options down there. You'll have a USB-C plug-in, a USB port, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt plug-in. Your beautiful shifter with your parking brake, 2 cup holders, and another small storage compartment there, and a large center console. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you will have your OnStar options up front, the lighting option to your driver and passenger. You can also connect this to your home garage door, allowing for the opening and closing option there. And then finally, here in the front, you will have a sunglass holder. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 1.5 liter i4F DOHC 16V engine. You'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips. Like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. Taking a look at this front tire, it's in very good condition, no curb rash, no evidence there. Coming back here towards the body of the Equinox, once again, no scratches, no marks, no dings along the body. This rear tire here on the passenger side is in good condition as well. Coming back here along the trunk, you are going to have some slight imperfections back here, some typical trunk scratches. Coming around here to the driver's side of the vehicle, once again, the body has no scratches, no marks, no dings. This rear tire is in very good condition. And then finally back up here to this front driver's side tire. It is also in very good condition. This is an extremely clean 2019. That's all I have for you guys today on this beautiful 2019 Chevy Equinox LT. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, PA.